the other one coming.
Where people are, you know, they're only allowed to go on the forest. Now, if you look at this guy here, look at the hooves. They're split hooves. So as they walk, it opens up to relieve the weight.
Oh.
See there. Now, what these lions do is they split up. A couple of the lions will go on the one side of the road, lay down in ambush, and the others chase the giraffes to the road. The giraffes get to the road, the other lions will jump up, giving them a fright, and they'll try and turn. And when they're on the road with the split hooves, there's no traction.
Okay.
Try and turn, fall down. And when they fall, all the lions are off.
Clever. Haut die Beine weg und tschüss.
Smart lion. Wow.
Cats are extremely, extremely intelligent.